What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This is Mike with Living with 3M. Got the wife's EcoBoost Explorer 4-wheel drive in the background. Going to talk a few minutes about the AVS vent shades we got for the windows. They've held up about 6 months, but just wanted to do a fix on one. So I'm going to take it completely off, remove it, and wind up using the 3M tape to do a repair job on it. Okay guys, let me show you what I'm talking about here. And you can see just by moving this thing, it's like the tape that they give us, I don't know what's, see it's definitely got, it's coming completely off of there. So what I'm gonna do is remove this whole piece, then wind up using that tape to reapply it, but it's all in the cleaning and the prep just to get it to stick right. Okay, now as you could tell, this had just about let go right here, but once we get up here, this was firmly attached. So I've got fishing line, so we're going to take the fishing line and basically you saw back and forth. I've got the camera so I can't do it, but it's going to cut through the adhesive and will allow you to remove it. Do not try to pry on this because it will pop. It's really thin plastic. Okay guys, as you can see, got that off. Kind of got a mess there, so usually just take your thumb and you can get the adhesive off. Then we'll take some goof off or Goo Gone or something after that. Now that I've got both hands free, I can show you exactly what we're gonna do. You're just gonna work that with your finger. So you don't use any abrasives, any razor blades, anything like that near your paint. Just good old-fashioned elbow grease and time. Okay, all right, you guys are gonna think that I'm crazy, and that's fine, so please double check this on the internet to verify. But grill lighter fluid is one of the best things at removing and emulsifying the adhesive without damaging the clear coat. Now yes, I've got stains and this and that all over the paint, but you can see where it will remove without damaging the clear coat. Do not use, I recommend against alcohol and stuff because that can dry the weather stripping out. Like this stuff right here, it can really dry that out. Lighter fluid is one of the best things to take that stuff off and not damage your clear coat. So, okay, now that we've got that, I've got a rag with just dishwashing liquid that we're gonna put on it. Clean the area really well with dishwashing liquid all the way down, leaving no area untouched because you want to make sure this does not happen again because this is a lot of work. All right, and we're gonna rinse and dry and possibly do this twice just to make sure we've got a good clean surface. Okay, so I brought the vent visor in the house and you can see it right here on the bar. Got my lighter fluid, but first we're going to do just like we did on the car. We're going to take our finger and constantly push in one direction to remove all of this, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right guys, we've got it cleaned off, surface is prepped. So, and if you'll notice, the 3M tape is wider than what originally came on there. So what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna take a razor blade and cut this tape in half. A pair of scissors will work fine too. So then the width will be perfect for that. Okay guys, so you can see I've already cut the tape. So just take your time and, you know, even piecing it, you're fine. Here's the backing of the 3M red tape, and we will go to the car. All right guys, so I came out and I've got it pushed on. So basically you really push hard on the seam. So definitely it's getting dark on me, but you can see it's a really clean install, other than where I've got fingerprints on everything, but really looks good. So I stress to you, prep when buying these new, because it comes, usually they come with the 3M tape, but if you just walk out of the parts store and try and slap them on without even cleaning, then you can expect them to come loose at some point. Okay, so that takes care of that in this video, and I appreciate every one of you guys, and I wish luck to my buddy Coyote Mike out in Texas. He's doing the 30-day challenge. If you guys get a chance, check him out. I plug him in as often as I can to people to let them know what an awesome channel and truck this guy's got. You definitely need to check it out. So Coyote Mike, hats off to you, brother. Talk to you guys in the next video.